Bitcoin might be rising. Why? Because the job market is not doing as well as thought. Yes, the job gains in the month of March were far less than what's expected. Now, in regular times, that would be very, very bad news. But in this time and day, it might actually be good news. Why? Because of those evil interest rates. If job market is soft, that means people can't find as many jobs, which means inflation may well start going down. I mean, that's kind of being counterbalanced right now by because the price of oil has risen so much because of OPEC's cuts. But even the oil market isn't immune to this, so those prices should actually go down as well. For March, private sector hiring rose by just $145,000, and that's down from $261,000 in February. And the estimate was supposed to be $210,000, so 65,000 below the estimate in March. And basically, financial activities actually lost 51,000 jobs, and professional and business services fell by 46,000 jobs. Leisure and hospitality added another 98,000 jobs. Trade, transportation, and utilities grew by 56,000, and construction rose by 53,000. But there were a lot of layoffs. And of course, a lot of industries are going downward as well. Job market is not nearly as strong, so the Fed has another reason in May to back off on those pesky interest rates and not raise them to destroy the economy even more. The banks have already started to fall, and now the job market is starting to fall. The Fed has actually achieved its goal of completely destroying the labor market. Well, not completely, but kind of destroying the labor market. And the DXY is starting to go down as well at 102 again. It was at 103, 104 recently. So we should and could easily surge to above 30,000. Now, the day high was 102.05. The day low was 101.83. That's the first time I've seen it go down to 101 in a while. It needs to fall below 100. Maybe all this brick stuff, of actually doing bilateral agreements with the Chinese yuan will actually hurt the US dollar. Not the most optimal way to bring the dollar index down, but still a pretty good way to bring the dollar index down. So if that happens and the dollar index goes down as well as the labor markets are low, that means the Fed will stop cutting interest rates sooner, and the DXY going down is always good for Bitcoin rising. If the DXY can get to around 95, I think that is the basic formula for an all-time high. We need it to be between 92 and 98 somewhere, preferably slightly below 95. But I'm actually happy that the private payrolls only rose by 145,000, which is much below estimates. And because of that, I think like the Fed will see that the economy is slagging and they'll relent, and crypto can start going back up past 30,000. So that's really good news. Bad news for job seekers, good news for crypto investors. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.